In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your operators in Arknights Endfield. So all you have to do is simply pause the game if you're in the game, and then select the operators option. Select that. And then now you should see a list of all the operators that you have. So navigate to the operator that you'd like to upgrade. So find the operator you'd like to upgrade. So let's say this one. All you have to do is select level up from the options that appear. Select it. And then now you should see all the materials that are needed for you to upgrade that particular operator. So you can press the right analog stick and then select all the materials that you'd like to use to upgrade this operator. So choose the materials that you'd like, or you can simply select the autofill option, which is the triangle button on your controller, and that will select all the materials that are needed for you to upgrade your operator. Now once you've selected the materials, simply select upgrade, and now that particular operator will be upgraded to that particular level. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.